So if you fart in front of someone, then what do you do?
Yes, I farted.
If you walk into a glass door,
Just pretend like you are testing the durability.
just keep that.
I'm just testing the glass. You paid so much money for it. आज हम आपको हमारे embarrassment के बारे में
बताएंगे. And suddenly, I'm dry
Why was that bad?
and it's leaking.
What is leaking?
So now I've started rubbing it. Okay.
So
my eyes. So I wore those lenses next date and I killed it.
Killed it?
And 2 cups.
Welcome to Two Girls and
Tuka.
So today we are talking about our most embarrassing stories. क्योंकि अभी तक आपको हमारे पेरेंट्स की embarrassment के बारे में पता है, जो कि है हम. तो आज हम आपको हमारे embarrassment के बारे में
बताएंगे. और मैं पहला सवाल सलोनी से ही पूछना चाहती हूँ क्योंकि उसका एम्बैरेसमेंट मतलब मुझे सेकंड हैंड एम्बैरेसमेंट होता है जब उसके जोक्स पे कोई नहीं हंसता, तो उसको कैसा फील होता होगा, कैसा फील होता है तुम्हें? तुम बताओ कि उसके अलावा व्हाट आर योर मोस्ट एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट्स ऑफ योर लाइफ.
मैं तो बताऊंगी अपने embarrassing moments, बट तुम बताओ कि जब तुम्हारे जोक मारने से पहले लोग तुम्हारी शक्ल पे हंस देते हैं, उससे होता है embarrassment? होता है.
मिरर इन द मिडिल, गॉड इन द मिडिल, फुल स्टॉप.
That makes no sense. So मैं कॉर्पोरेट में काम करती थी TCS में, और वहाँ ना क्यूबिकल्स होते हैं, और क्यूबिकल्स में जैसे 4-5 लोग बैठे हैं, और फिर मेरे क्यूबिकल के एकदम इधर मेरे बॉस का क्यूबिकल था. And my boss was this very well respected, I think he was a South Indian guy with like specs and very like techie and whatever. तो मैं बहुत बोर हो रही थी. एक दिन मेरा काम खत्म हो गया था, तो I was just
कैसे
like,
बोर होती हो तुम? वाह.
So मैं अपने फ्रेंड से चैट कर रही थी, एंड उसने मुझे बोला एक वॉइस नोट भेजा. उसने बोला ये सुन. मैंने कहा ओके. तो मैंने धीरे करके, ऑब्वियसली वॉल्यूम धीरे ही थी, तो मैंने ऐसे करके ऐसे लगाया, तो वो बहुत ही धीरे बजा, कुछ सुनाई नहीं दिया. सडनली आउट ऑफ नोवेयर दैट वॉइस नोट बिकेम, उसमें से बहुत ही गंदी गंदी आवाज़ निकलने लग गई. ठीक है, लाइक ऐसे लग रहा था कि कोई किसी लड़की को शायद मार रहा है, तो वो चिल्ला रही है.
Oh my God, it was domestic abuse video.
अब्यूज नहीं कहूँगी
तुम अपने टांगों को सहला क्यों रही हो?
because that's the feeling she was getting also. कोई उसकी टांगे से ला रहा था शायद, and she was going and and it was a prank जो उसने मुझे भेजा था, जो स्टार्ट ही लो वॉल्यूम से होता है ताकि वॉल्यूम बढ़ाए इंसान. Now the fuck up is not just that. The fuck up is ठीक है. Now this girl is full ass moaning in the middle of my office, okay? And all the boys are getting excited, so they're like कहाँ से आवाज़ आ रही है? And they have figured out कि आवाज़ आ रही है यहाँ से, मेरे से. So they're all staring at me. मुझसे वो voice note बंद ही नहीं हुआ bro. मैं इतना घबरा गई कि I went like I sat on my phone. I have now that girl is moaning from my ass. She's still moaning. It was a 1-minute long voice note. It has played fully.
Then you got promotion or no?
Bro, I left that job.
You left that job?
I left that job. And I think subconsciously I left that job because of this day. मैं इतनी embarrassed थी. मुझे नहीं समझ में आया कि लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोचेंगे कि porn देखती है.
तो उसमें कौन सी एक तो I think we should normalize the fact that women also watch porn.
It's
but
illegal,
they don't.
Srishti, watching porn.
When I go to London, I watch.
ये मेरा दूसरा embarrassing moment है, वो भी मैं अभी बता देती हूँ. एक पंजाबी म्यूजिक वीडियो का कोऑर्डिनेटर है.
वही चकवे सूट.
One and
उसने तेरे को दिलवाया था चकवे सूट.
चकवे सूट उसने दिलाया था कि मुझे एडिटर पुट द वीडियो ऑफ चकवे सूट हियर. वो भी मेरा एक
सबने देखा हुआ है.
I will count that as an embarrassing moment.
चकवे सूट ऑडियंस हाय. वेलकम.
मैम आप वही हो ना चकवे सूट वाली? नहीं हो यार. So there is a Sardarji and he coordinates ना. So these coordinators are a little strange. Okay, एक तो बहुत ही देसी होते हैं, पंजाब से होते हैं. तो I used to maintain a little distance. Okay? Yeah, okay, whatever. Like, hi, only talking in English. And he's like, आजा हम बैठते हैं and whatever. He was not shady, but he was. मैंने उसको किस इमोजी भेजा यार. और मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि मैंने उसको किस इमोजी.
Did he then ask you for a picture of your brrra? Did he respond to you or not? Huh?
I think he did.
He did? You think he did मतलब?
मुझे याद नहीं है, मैंने ब्लॉक कर दिया ऑनेस्टली.
तभी डिलीट वाला ऑप्शन नहीं था.
नहीं, व्हाट्सएप पे डिलीट ऑप्शन नहीं था, चेंज नहीं कर सकते थे. एंड ऑन द फक अप कि मैं इंस्टेंटली सॉरी भी नहीं लिखा क्योंकि मैंने देखा ही नहीं. मैंने उसको कुछ और स्माइलिंग भेजना होगा. मैंने उसको किस भेज दी है, हार्ट वाली. और मैंने देखा
हार्ट वाली, वो भी नहीं, विदाउट हार्ट वाली फिर भी ऐसे लगता है.
नहीं, वो खाली वाली नहीं. वो लगता है कि तुम
Full वाली.
अभी कॉस्मेटोलॉजिस्ट से आए हो. Guys, I got my lips.
द भूमि पेड़ने का इमोजी.
तो तुमने तो लोकल ट्रेन में कितना ट्रैवल किया यार, तुम्हारे से तो कितना कुछ हुआ होगा ट्रेन में.
Embarrassing moments. Oh, you know. देखो, एक दिन मैंने सोचा कि चलो चलो देखते हैं जनरल कंपार्टमेंट में ऐसा क्या होता है जो लेडीज कंपार्टमेंट में नहीं होता. तो मैंने सोचा कि चलो कुछ लड़कों, पसीनेदार लड़कों को टच करते करते घर जाए. नो, आई जस्ट डिडंट वांट टू पे फॉर द टिकट. जनरल कंपार्टमेंट में यूजुअली कोई चेक नहीं करता.
ओके.
लेडीज कंपार्टमेंट सब आते हैं फॉर ऑब्वियस रीजंस.
हाँ.
ब्लडी टीसी. सो आई वेंट टू द जनरल कंपार्टमेंट. लाइक 2-3 स्टॉप है, मैं पहुंच जाऊंगी. तो यहाँ पे कोई बैठता है, सीटिंग होती है, यहाँ पे होती है, बीच में जगह होती है जहाँ पे लोग आते हैं, पूछते हैं वेयर दादर, देन मैं आई विल सिट देयर, यू हैव टू बुक ना योर सीट.
Yeah.
तो वो सब करते हैं और बीच में खड़े रह जाते हैं. ठीक है.
हाँ.
तो मैं खड़ी थी और ट्रेन जा रही है. डुग 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 डुग. And the third डुग 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 डुग, I have fallen and sat like this on a man.
On an uncle.
And it's going dug 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 dug, and I'm like, and everyone's just watching. When will she manage to get up off that? Will it be before he is erect or after? We will find out in the next episode of General
Uncle का देल कर रहा होगा डुग 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 डुग.
He's like, ये डुग 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 कभी ना
ये रुक
रुके.
नहीं, डुग 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 डुग. Uncle has gone for the rest of his life in a train hoping this episode will repeat itself.
He wanted to look apologetic, but he was like, his face was like this. कोई बात नहीं मैम. Then I sang Bhag DK Bose on stage, college competition.
You sang, you had to choose the song and you chose Bhag DK Bose. तो तू स्टेज पे खड़े होके गा रही है भाग भाग DK Bose DK Bose DK. This is for a competition?
Yeah. And there were teachers in the first row who were just staring like that. I was like, मैं DK Bose बोल रही हूँ ना, मैं भोसड़ी के थोड़ी बोल रही हूँ. क्या प्रॉब्लम है? मैं तो I was playing safe ना. What is your problem? And I did, imagine the mashup I have done. I've done Bhag DK Bose mashup with In Dino.
Can you sing it?
Bhag Bhag DK Bose DK Bose DK Bose Bhag Bhag DK Bose DK Bhag In Dino Dil Mera. This is what I said. And they're like, what the fuck is happening to us right now? Why are we subject to this strange mix of songs? हाँ, तुमने ना अपने पैंट में सुसु किया ना एक बार.
Excuse.
तुमने बोला हुआ है.
Never happened. Guys, I'll tell you what's embarrassing. Embarrassing is when you have done an entire episode with your zip open. Okay? She has recorded an entire episode of our podcast which our editor has seen and edited.
He has demanded it. That's why I did it for editor.
Editor.
But yeah, poor editor had to keep cutting into zooms every time you
और
could
तू
see the
बैठी
fly
कैसे थी
open.
उसमें? Please बैठ के दिखा.
And somebody has commented ki, oh, Srishti's fly is open, and that's how I found out. Otherwise, even the editor did not see. Editor. Tell more of your dating stories. Have not
Oh
been
my
embarrassing.
god, my most embarrassing dating story. How can I forget? Oh my god. Oh god. Okay. So, I've never met this guy. I have fallen for him on the phone. Okay. किसी दोस्त की दोस्त ने हमें कनेक्ट कराया है और ये रहता था बॉम्बे, मैं रहती थी दिल्ली. तो हम कभी मिल नहीं पाते थे उस टाइम पे. जूम वूम फेस टाइम कुछ नहीं था.
Zoom वूम तो नहीं होता था. हाँ.
There was no video calling. पुराने वाले phones थे. I was in like 10th standard or something.
You went on a date in 10th standard.
I didn't go on a date. I just fell for this guy on the phone because he had a hot voice. So, oh my god. So we are talking and we are fully like पूरी रात हम बात कर रहे हैं and we fallen for each other like when will we meet? When will we meet? this is, I'm telling you, this is pre-Facebook also. He had relatives in Delhi, so he has come to Delhi and he's like, okay, I'm in Delhi, let's meet. And मैं झूठ बोल के, अपने माँ बाप से झूठ बोल के, कुछ करके वर्के, अपनी ट्यूशन बंक करके गई हूँ मॉल, उससे मिलने, और मैं बहुत तैयार होके गई हूँ, ठीक है? मतलब आई एम वेयरिंग वो जो स्ट्रैपीज ऐसे नहीं आते थे, ऐसे वाले शूज आते थे, वो सब पहन के गई हूँ. हम बैठे हम बात कर रहे हैं, बातों बातों में
जो पहले बातें हो जानी चाहिए थी उन बातों में
पता लगा कि वो मेरा थर्ड कजिन था.
थर्ड था ना. थर्ड इज फाइन ना.
He was related to me, bro.
But third is not like blood.
We were related, bro. मैं उसकी बहन थी.
But third ना.
I don't think it's that. Oh my god, it was so embarrassing. It was so embarrassing. And the way we discovered it, you're like, yeah, you know, मेरे मम्मी पापा उस वेडिंग पे गए थे. अच्छा, हाँ, मेरे भी मम्मी पापा वेडिंग पे गए थे. ओह, कहाँ? जयपुर. ओह, जयपुर. अच्छा. किसकी वेडिंग थी? यार, मेरी किसी कजन की वेडिंग थी. अरे यार, मेरे मॉम के इसकी वेडिंग थी. अच्छा. कितना अच्छा वेन्यू था. ये वेन्यू था. हमारा भी था. अच्छा. अरे सेम वेडिंग में देखे. हाँ, डेट. हाउ यू रिलेटेड? वी फिगर्ड आउट यू वर कजन्स. बहन, श्योर. Blind dates are, I've never been on a blind date after that. I never will. I don't recommend it. No fucking way. Find out who your cousins are.
I don't believe in these blind dates, and I've not been on it. Also, lots of people have recommended कि अरे it is lot of fun, like, you know, romantic and all. But I've said no. But I have gone blind on one of my dates.
मतलब?
For an entire day.
What does that mean?
I was getting ready to go on this date with this really cute guy. I
Okay.
saw him on a photograph, and he looked like Jake Gyllenhaal,
Oh wow, Jake.
but Indian.
Oh, nice. Even better.
But he had one messiah, but that's okay. I would surgically get it out.
Okay.
But he was really cute, so I was like, I also have to look really cute. I have to look really pretty, and I cannot wear my chashma and go because it's just gonna kill the vibe. Like, what if we end up kissing? You know, one massa will also come in the middle, and the nose will also come, and the chashma will also come. So one barrier we want to remove.
Okay, that is
So
the chashma.
I said, yeah, no chashma, to look pretty and whatever. So I went.
So you did makeup to look pretty?
No, but I have to not wear my chashma, but I have to see also na properly.
Haan.
So I can see when he's giving me the signs.
हाँ.
So I can see him when he's coming close.
हाँ.
So I told my friend what to do. So she said, सस्ते ये आते हैं बेटी स्टोर से lenses. लोखंड वाला मार्केट से ऐसे नीचे जा ले गया सस्ते वाले lenses. You can wear it and throw it. So I wore it and I looked really pretty. Removed my chashma and I went. Okay, now I have reached and suddenly I'm dry.
Why was that bad? क्या?
My eyes are dry.
Eyes are dry.
Oh my god.
Okay. Okay, I thought maybe he's that bad. You just became dry.
ऐसे थोड़ी होता है यार. तुम
dry.
sex ed teacher हो यार.
Eyes.
ऐसे थोड़ी होता है. Suddenly you're just dry.
हाँ.
I could feel that मेरे आँखें लाल हो रही हैं. Okay, and my tears have started coming out, and I could sense कि it's becoming red, and it's leaking.
What is leaking?
My eyes.
Now I knew. I just wanted to do this. It was fun. You
So
walked
now-
right into it.
So now I've started rubbing it. Okay,
So
my
you're-
eyes have started rubbing. Okay,
Got it.
and I put mascara to look pretty, and now all the mascara I'm rubbing like that. I'm looking like raccoon. Okay, so and that guy, that cute Jake Gyllenhaal with the massa is sitting right there. I'm like, he cannot see me like this. I have run into the bathroom,
I'm sure.
and then I've tried to wash it off. It's not come out. पूरा अंदर चला गया है. My eyes are looking black, fully, fully black. There's no more white on my eyes anymore. And yeah, that's it. Then I just ran from there. I don't
You
know how
ditched
I went
him?
home. Yeah, I couldn't.
You didn't
That Jake Gyllenhaal couldn't see me like that. Jake Gyllenhaal मेरा हाल नहीं देख सकता ऐसे.
तो तू घर चली गई है?
I went back home and I called that friend of mine and I said, तू optician नहीं है तो तू मुंह बंद रख. And then I went to a proper optical store and they introduced me to Air Optics plus Hydra Glide monthly contact lenses by Alcon.
Got?
Alcon. It's a brand.
Huh.
Global leader in eye care. So I wore those lenses next date and I killed it.
Killed it?
I
क्या हुआ,
married
क्या
that
हुआ?
man.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Don't be sorry. I would like to thank my parents, my teachers, and my lenses.
I'm sorry for Bhavesh. But a second. What if that previous guy was a great deal? That Jake
I don't
Gyllenhaal-
know. Nah, he's gone now. Finish. He went with his massa.
What is so special about this Air Optics plus Hydra Glide lens?
It is special because it comes with a Smart Shield technology that protects my lenses from those mascara and cosmetic cream deposits. So it is so efficient and it gives you outstanding comfort from the first day of use to the last day of the month.
Monthly use, huh?
Yeah.
But एक second, what if by the way, मैं तेरी बात क्यों सुनूं? I mean, जैसे तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड ने तेरे साथ किया, अगर तू मुझे ऐसे रेकमेंड कर रही है और मेरे साथ ऐसा डिजास्टर हुआ तो?
तू मेरे को ब्लॉक कर दे, तू मत सुन मेरी बात पर। वो जो 100% आई केयर प्रोफेशनल्स है जो बोल रहे हैं कि दिस इज ग्रेट टू यूज, इट्स एफिशिएंट, इट्स इजी टू फिट, उनकी बात भी नहीं मानेगी तू। ये देख,
ये है क्या?
इट्स माइन, मेरा नंबर है।
अच्छा, where can I get it?
You can get it, so you get it in a 6 pieces pack at any optical store और Amazon पे खरीद सकती है।
Nice.
It's very comfortable and it's just
एकदम क्लियर दिखता है क्या?
हाँ, बहुत क्लियर दिखता है। तेरे हस्बैंड को मत देना वरना वो तेरी शक्ल देख लेगा। खत्म। Wow, you're so playful.
Don't say that. I'm very.
Can you please
pretty.
give it back? It's not your number. This is mine.
Oh, अच्छा, I have to order it in.
I'm wearing it right now and just in case.
Sure. पता ही नहीं लग रहा तूने लेंस पहना यार। बिल्कुल पता नहीं लग रहा
है ना? मुझे फील भी नहीं हो रहा कि मैंने कुछ पहना है, ऐसे मेरे आँख में कुछ है।
Which is nice.
Yeah.
मुझे हमेशा लेंसेज से यही प्रॉब्लम होती थी कि you could
You feel like this foreign body inside you. Yeah. So I think I've had my most embarrassing moments with my dates and with people who I'm randomly stuck in a lift with. Why am I
मेरे साथ
talking
भी
about
ऐसे हुआ।
this?
मैं एक बार डेट पे थी। I don't even know if I should call it a date, but I think it was like a date. I'm meeting this guy and मैं ना डेट पे ऐसी नहीं होती हूँ। I'm very proper. Okay, like I'm like sophisticated and flipping my hair and I've dressed up and I'm looking sexy and I'm like, you know, like that.
What is it?
Like I'm nodding my head and pretending to be like I'm like proper folk and उससे खाऊंगी and whatever. English में बात करूँगी जो मुझे नहीं करनी चाहिए। तो this guy is like and he had seen something of mine and he's like, I saw your show. I think it was my first show. Saw your show. You did really nice. You were looking very nice, and
You
know,
did really nice.
No, you did something. He said,
उसकी भी English खराब थी।
he was proper. He was a Bombay guy. Bombay guys have good English. So he's like, I saw your show, and you did really well. And like, when is the season 2 coming out? And when is it? And just me being me, I'm also very economical in words when I'm on a date. Okay. So I wanted to tell him.
Economical with what?
Yeah, I'm just like, I'm not going to talk too much if I'm just. So I'm like, I wanted to say soon. And I'm like, yeah, soon. Soon?
My grammatical error was with my husband only. We were in a very intimate moment. Very intimate moment. And I was like, थोड़ा seductive tone में बात करते हैं, शायद उसको अच्छा लगेगा, अच्छा लगेगा शायद। तो मैं बोल रही हूँ कि कुछ बोल रही हूँ, फिर वो हंसता है। मैं बोलती हूँ
हंसता है।
हंसता है यार।
पंजाबी क्यों गई तुम? पहले हंसता है।
वो हंसता है, ठीक है। मैं कुछ बोलती हूँ फनी एज यूजुअल और मुझे लाफ मिलता है तो वो हंसता है। और फिर मैं बोलती हूँ what happened? What is make you laugh?
You said this to him?
वो भी in a whisper. What is make you laugh?
He was like this. He's got like this in that 1 second.
I just wanted to say what is making you laugh?
What is make you laugh? That's really funny. Can we talk about your wedding, please? The embarrassment of your wedding, because we'll put the video of it here. What have you done on your wedding? तेरे मुंह से ही सुनना है मुझे. Please tell. Please tell.
I got married.
That's embarrassing for Bhavesh. You tell yours.
So, There is this man named Viraf Patel who is Saloni's husband, who is the most irritating man on earth.
How is he in this?
Because he made me dance. He thought that चलो मैं एंकरिंग करता हूँ क्योंकि काम तो नहीं मिल रहा एंकरिंग का, तो यहीं पे कर लेता हूँ मैं अपना प्रैक्टिस. तो उसने obviously बोला कि bride and groom come dance. Why the fuck should we dance? Why the fuck?
Normal weddings.
There was a reason that we did not keep Sangeet, na?
Okay.
So that we don't have to dance.
So then what happened?
So then I only know one dance, ball dance. Ball dance. So I did ball dance. I twirled. And there was a live singer behind me, singing very nice song. What song was she singing?
I don't care.
But I went like this. And I broke her tooth.
She has done this and she has hit the mic and the mic has hit the singer and uska blood nikalna shuru ho gaya. And then Viraf has gone on stage and said what? This was all a part of the act, guys.
This was all part of the script. See?
This was all part of the script.
कोई मर रहा है तुम्हारे पीछे और तुम माइक में बात कर रहे हो, तुम पागल हो?
And Srishti is so apologetic. I'm so sorry. Suddenly her own wedding was not about her anymore. It was about the singer.
And then my sister, that bitch, she comes on the stage to give a speech after all of this has happened and has revealed to the entire family
that you have married your boyfriend.
that I have married my ex-boyfriend's best friend. And it was not even funny.
We've had so many embarrassing moments and बहुत लोगों के साथ भी होते रहते हैं सारे embarrassing moments. But tell me, अभी कुछ recommend तो करना चाहिए ना कि होना क्या चाहिए अगर embarrassing moment हो तो. तो I तो have a very basic hack. I think you should just get up in the morning and tell yourself you're the background character. You're the background character. I'm the background character. I am not main character. I am background character. That works. The minute you tell that you are some this thing, I think it works. Don't tell yourself good things about yourself. जो तुम्हारी जो सेल्फ इमेज है ना उसको तुम खुद ही शैटर कर लो, बनने ही मत दो, तो तुम्हें कभी एम्बैरेसमेंट नहीं होएगी. I think if you sometimes accidentally call someone by the wrong name,
You call Sakshi Shivani.
हाँ, so अगर साक्षी है और शिवानी बोल दिया मैंने and उसने बोला excuse me I'm not, तो बोलो no I think Shivani suits you better. Gaslight them into thinking
What was that last expression you made? You did like a...
Yeah, like I तो totally think I would do
And
that.
you think that will work?
It will.
In whose favor?
You won't be embarrassed. You have fucked up the name, okay? And you fucked up the name of a very important person.
So you're just gonna be like, I know your name, I know your name.
Of course I know, but I think this suits you better. You're a Shivani. But just don't call her Ramesh a Shivani, then that would be too
I had
weird.
told someone once that you look like a Suresh.
Like
And that person didn't understand what
That
I
was
meant,
a-
and I don't know what I was trying to say to that guy.
gender तो same ही था ना, पता
Like
लगा
his
किसी-
name was Suresh, and I was like, yeah, you look only like a Suresh. And he was like, what the does that mean? So if you fart in front of someone, then what do you do?
Yes, I farted.
So what? Make it a power move. Like say,
Yeah.
I have the power to fart without remorse. If you walk into a glass door, which happens a lot,
Oh my god. Just pretend like you are testing the durability.
just keep.
I'm just testing the glass. You paid so much money for it. Both of us are looking at the phone.
This is like, you know, you've just fought with your boyfriend. And
Yeah,
now
but
you're
he's not
waiting for-
calling. He's not calling.
This was a missed call. Should I answer this?
हाँ, call back कर लेना.
Yeah, that's the reason. Sunny,
What happened?
listen, can you call me as a stranger? We just made a hotline live and no one's calling us, man.
I think that's a sign, no?
And this episode is about embarrassing moments.
And we are very embarrassed right now.
My mic is falling.
अच्छा?
ये कब से नीचे है?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
हाय
हाय, कौन बोल रहा है?
हाय विशाल चौहान।
कितने, क्या एज है तेरी?
मैं 19 साल का हूँ फिलहाल।
19 साल में तू कभी एम्बैरेस नहीं हुआ?
कह नहीं सकते शायद।
चल आज कर देते हैं।
आज कह ले।
क्यों किसी लड़की ने तुझे रिजेक्ट नहीं किया? तू कभी गिरा नहीं लोगों
तेरी
के
मम्मी ने
सामने?
तेरे को सबके सामने मारा नहीं?
नहीं मारा।
मारना चाहिए था।
तूने कभी किसी के सामने गलती से पादा नहीं?
नहीं
पादा नहीं?
नहीं
डकार?
नहीं।
पैंट में सुसु?
वो तो बचपन में करते थे, सबके साथ।
तो तभी एम्बैरेस नहीं हुए?
तब तो काफी छोटा था, मुझे याद भी नहीं कि लास्ट टाइम कब किया।
पैंट कभी फटी नहीं?
नहीं।
बाल कभी गिरे नहीं?
अब झड़ रहे हैं कॉलेज में आके, लेकिन एम्बैरेसिंग क्या है इसमें?
ओके बाय, सी यू।
ऐसा है कि एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट्स तो इनएविटेबल है, ये तो होने ही वाले हैं। आई सजेस्ट दैट यू जस्ट गो होम एंड क्राई अबाउट इट, ठीक है? मतलब द गुड थिंग इज इफ यू आर वेयरिंग एल्कोहल का लेंसेज तो एटलीस्ट यू विल हर्ट ओनली इन वन प्लेस एंड यू वोंट हर्ट हियर।
Two girls and two guys. Two girls and two cups.
Tune in Monday to Friday, sometimes Sunday, and sometimes never.
Keep listening.
Bye.
Ciao.
Sayonara.
Alvida.
Hare.